shot, it pushed back the enemy a little farther. And he was wroth at that. Elijah was saying, why didn't you, amen, shoot 5 times, 6 times? Why didn't you shoot 7 times? Why didn't you have any zeal in you when you were shooting those arrows? But now, since you only shot those arrows 3 times, you're going to defeat them 3 times.